right, everybody, we're here at VHP.
A little bit too excited over there.
Get 100,000 hits if you're doing that.
Yeah. Fucking backer. Oh, hey, boss. Just working here. I think I'm gonna put things on stuff. I hope you like it.
Anyways, we got this 94 Mustang here. We're putting, I think you got that backwards.
Nope.
I'm pretty sure you do. That's not a blow off. That's not the exhaust.
I can make it one.
They make it two-step. But anyways, we're out here putting this turbo kit on this 94 Mustang, little 5.0. Just showing the updates that they got going on here with the new kit. Got a little update right here. Let's see if I can see. Yes. So got a little update right here for the the hot side and the crossover. We had to cut and shorten this down. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Had to cut this, make them shorter, just to get it to fit. Also, they moved the turbo up a little higher, which is a little hard right now to show you. That's exactly how it goes.
I think I got it, boss. I think I put the pipes in there.
Yeah. But they moved the turbo so it's up a little bit higher from the older kits, but they still have that problem right down here in the head. Let's see if you can see it. Zoom in. So it's really hard to see, but try to zoom out a little bit. Right here, you can see I can't even stick my finger in there. That's how close it gets to the head. And if you have aftermarket heads, which the bolt holes are even all the way across, versus where this one, you can see the bolt hole kind of goes, it's kind of hard to see, but see how the bolt hole kind of goes inwards? If you have heads that go straight across to the next one, these headers will not fit. So, and this is the latest version of the headers. So, it's really hard to see. But these are the latest version of the headers for the small block Fords. So they are fitting. It's just, they're just really, really tight with aftermarket heads.
I like that, I like that, I like that. Go on out there.
Let's see what we're doing on top.
Yep, thank you. You can see up here, with the older version, these headers, they would actually hit right here, and we had to cut that and flap it down. Now they're actually, I can stick my hand underneath the turbo now. Before, we had to cut this almost inch and flap that down. So that got raised, so this comes up a little bit higher. And then the pipe going down for the cold side is slightly changed as well, going to the other side of the intercooler, which comes over through here and into there. So that got changed a little bit, most likely because this got changed. Also, the hot side, you can kind of see down there, is farther out. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Anyways, it's farther out away from the harmonic balancer, where the older ones, they were closer to the harmonic balancer and they would actually fry the harmonic balancers. So we got quite a bit done on this. We had to do quite a few little modifications from, you know, you think, oh, this is real simple to do, but then you have to do this, you have to cut this, you have to modify that, just get it to fit. But we're getting this done. It'll be done pretty soon, and we'll start putting everything back together. Here's some more of the piping, which you saw him put up there. So it's getting there. And then the downpipe part, that's over here. So this is the downpipe right here, and this is stainless steel. And then this for the Y pipe, and this is for the cutout. So if you have electric cutout, or you can use a mechanical cutout. Or you can just put the little cover on it and it'll fix that. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. We'll get some more video for you guys when you get a chance.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's